How to add flares on Reddit. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can add flares on Reddit. Basically, there are two kinds of flares, user flare and post flare. Now, to add them, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the address bar, type reddit.com, then press enter to browse it. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, at the left side, you will find various options. Scroll down and under Community, select your community. You will reach your community page where at the right, click on Mod Tools, and you will be taken to this interface. Here, at the left side again, you will find various options. Scroll down and under Moderation, you'll find User Flare. Click on it, and now here you can add a user flare. To add the user flare, click on this Add button at the right side, and here you can add the text for your flare. Once you add the text, you can also add flare background if you want by toggling this button. You'll find two more options from where you can select the background. Also, if you want, you can select the flare text color. Once you're satisfied with it, click on the Save button right here, and it will be successfully added and saved. Now, to add a post flare, again at the left side under Content Hint, you'll find the post flare. Click on it and check if it is enabled or not. If it is disabled, you'll have to click on this Start using post flare and enable it. Then click on the Save button. Again at the right side, you will find the Add button. Click on the Add and again write the text for your post flare. Once you're satisfied, click on the Save button right here, and it will be added. Now, let's use it in our post. For that, click on this plus button at the very top, and there you can type the text you want to add. At the bottom, you'll find the flare option. Click on this flare, select the flare that you have saved before, then click on this Apply. Then you can click on this Post option now, and there you will see you have successfully added flare on Reddit. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.